beautiful. That's interesting, because look at that, it has wood glazing here, and I suspect, I don't know if that's original or not, but look, okay, this old putty glazing, that's probably what's original, and then the wood glazing was added later. Yeah, because there's glazing underneath the wood, glazing compound under the wood, and that's pretty cool. Now, not gonna work on this. Look at that, man. The shutters, man. Old school. Wow, man. Can you tell I'm excited? You getting that sound? Listen to that sound. Listen to that, listen to that. Man, that's like the sound. Set that on the side. I think I could use some WD-40. Let's tilt the other end out so we can access it. Got it? Let's just place it again. Turn around. Oh yeah. Beautiful. That's amazing. I mean, it's still in great shape. Now here's what I've been wanting to do. As soon as I saw that, man. As soon as I saw it. Getting this, Linda?
Oh yeah.
Oh, when's the last time you think this thing was open?
It's been a while, I think.
I don't know, man. The crust on it is just.
Look at that, let there be light.
Oh man.
Dude, that's why I do what I do, man. This is just